Okay, so you think building a professional website costs thousands of dollars and takes months? Wrong. That's ancient history. Thanks to AI, what used to be a total nightmare is now something you can knock out in a few hours for less than your Netflix subscription.
All right, here's the game plan super quick. We're going to look at the old versus new way. I'll show you how to pick the right AI tool, then we'll hit the 8-step launch plan, and, this is crucial, the big mistakes to avoid. Let's get into it.
Okay, first things first, we got to talk about the massive difference between the old way of building websites and the new way. And trust me, understanding this is going to show you why this is such a game changer.
So let's just address the elephant in the room. Is building a pro website in 2026 still a hard, slow, expensive nightmare? The answer is a massive, absolute no. And I'm about to show you exactly why.
Check this out. The old way? We're talking 3 months, at least. Headaches from coding and shelling out cash for expensive developers. The new AI way? You could be live in 3 hours. Zero code, it's almost free. And the only skill you need? Just being able to describe what you want. This isn't just an upgrade, people. This is a whole new reality.
So that brings us to the AI revolution. How does all this magic actually happen? Well, think of AI as your brand new, on-demand web designer who literally never sleeps and costs you basically nothing.
So what even is an AI website builder? It's simple. It's a tool where you just type out what you want your website to be about, and boom, it builds the whole thing for you. You just describe it, it creates it. All the tech drama, gone.
You know, the best way to think about this is that your website is your digital home. Seriously, it's the one place on the internet where people come to meet you, decide if they can trust you, and maybe even work with you. It is your digital first impression.
Here's another way to look at it. An AI builder is like a 5-star chef. You don't walk into the kitchen and tell them the exact temperature to cook at. You just say, I want an amazing meal for a wedding. They handle the rest. It's the exact same thing with AI. You tell it what you need, and it builds the entire website for you.
Okay, time to get real. There are a ton of AI builders out there, and spoiler alert, they're not all created equal. So let's figure out which tool is the right one for you.
Okay, let's run through the top players. If you're a creative, a designer, or a freelancer, and you want something that looks super modern with slick animations, Framer AI is your jam. Now, if you're a total beginner or a small business, and the thought of this is already stressing you out, Wix ADI is perfect. It literally just asks you questions and builds the site for you. Super easy. On a tight budget, Hostinger AI is the move. It's an awesome, all-in-one, affordable package. For all my bloggers and WordPress people, you've got to check out 10Web AI. Its killer feature? It can literally look at your competitor's website and build you a similar layout to start from. So wild. And finally, if you're a pro or an agency building something super complex, the Reloom and Webflow combo is the undisputed king.
All right, let's bust some common myths. Rapid fire. Myth 1. AI websites all look the same. Totally false. Your website's quality depends on how detailed your prompt is. Garbage in, garbage out. Myth 2. Free tools look unprofessional. Nope. The free plans are actually crazy powerful. The only thing you have to spend money on is a custom domain, which makes you look legit. And the biggest myth of all, once it's built, the work is done. So wrong. A website is a living thing. It needs updates to stay relevant.
Pay attention, because this is the most important part of this whole thing. This is your 8-step plan to go from zero to a live professional website. You're probably going to want to screenshot this.
Part 1. Step 1. Define your goal. Is this a portfolio to get a job, a business site to get clients, a blog? You have to know. Step 2. Get your content ready first. Write your About Us page and service descriptions before you even open the tool. Step 3. Write a detailed prompt. Get specific. I'm a freelance photographer in New York specializing in moody portraits for musicians. Something like that. And Step 4. Customize what the AI gives you. The AI's design is just a starting point. You've got to put in your own brand fonts, colors, and images to make it truly yours.
All right, part 2. Step 5. Add a human touch. Please replace some of the AI text with your own story. Use real photos of yourself, not generic stock photos. People connect with people. Step 6. Connect a custom domain. I'm telling you, yourname.com is non-negotiable. It's the difference between looking like a hobbyist and a professional. Step 7. Check the speed and mobile view. Seriously, open it on your phone and see how it looks, and test the speed. And finally, Step 8. Go live and get feedback. Don't just launch it into the void. Ask like 5 friends to check it out and tell you if it makes sense. Wondering why I'm so obsessed with the mobile view? Because over 60%, more than half of all internet traffic is on a phone. If your site is broken on mobile, you're literally invisible to the majority of your audience. It's that critical.
Okay, last big section. We've got the plan. Now let's talk about the things that will absolutely wreck your launch. These are the critical mistakes you have to avoid.
Here's your beginner's mistake checklist. Do not do these things. 1. Ignoring mobile design. We just talked about it. It's an instant fail. 2. Slow loading speed. If your images are too big, people will just click away. Compress them. 3. No clear call to action. You have to tell people what to do next. Contact me, buy now, sign up, be direct. And 4. Blindly copying your competitors. It's fine to get inspiration, but if you're just a clone, why would anyone choose you? Your unique message is your power.
Want a pro tip that'll put you ahead of 90% of other beginners? It's all about the first fold. That's the very top of your homepage, what people see before they scroll. In a single glance, a visitor has to know 3 things. 1. What you do. 2. Who you do it for. And 3. What's the next step they should take. If they have to search for it, you've already lost them.
And I just want to drill this point home one more time because it's so important. A website is a living thing. Hitting that publish button isn't the finish line, it's the starting line. It needs fresh content and constant improvement to actually do its job for you.
So really, this chart says it all. The old way was a mountain of effort. The new AI way, it's a molehill. AI has completely demolished the old barriers of cost, time, and technical skill. There are literally no more excuses.
Look, 5 years ago, the exact website we just mapped out would have cost you thousands of dollars and months of work. Today, you can build it yourself this afternoon. The opportunity here is insane. Your business, your art, your ideas, they deserve a home on the internet. Your digital home is waiting. The only question is, what are you going to build first?